doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, room tour of room 122 at the Maldron Hotel in Brighton. Good start. Oh, it's just a very heavy door. Okay, come in here. Got some hanging books there, which are always handy, always welcome. We're going to the bathroom first, so you have to put your key card in there to get the electric to work. Nice big bathroom, big walk-in shower, rainfall and a normal wand shower. You've got conditioning shampoo, which I wouldn't say was conditioning at all, and body wash, nice and powerful. You've got the one sink, big mirror, your toilet there, nice lit mirror. Come back around here, you've got your wardrobe space. So it's one of those hotels where storage isn't the greatest, but you have got an ironing board and a hairdryer and a little bit of hanging space and a safe. We booked a double room, but we've got a double and a single bed. It is just a normal double, so it's quite small, but it was firm and really comfy, just how we like it. So you've got either side of the bed, you've got a little storage hole there, and a reading light and plugs with some USB sockets, which is nice bit of artwork. They've been and refreshed our room, got some more towels. So you've got this second bed here, which presumably if it wasn't there, we'd probably just have another chair or something. So on the other side of this bed as well, you've got the same, and a slightly bigger area there. You've got a table and a little armchair under the window, and two waters there, which they have replaced. There's two different ones yesterday. We've got a view over the NCP car park opposite, but if you look out, we are right next door to the Grand Hotel, which is there, and that is literally, you can't quite see it, but that is the seafront, so it's really conveniently located. Over here you've got your TV, big TV, which we were able to Chromecast to. You've got your tea and coffee making here, kettle, biscuits, tea and coffee. We've got plugs are great, they're everywhere. Big full length mirror. So yeah, we're really happy. It seems very newly renovated. We paid 160 a night. It's bank holiday weekend in May, through booking.com, just room only, which for Brighton is pretty reasonable. It worked out about £100 cheaper than booking the Grand, and the room's probably double the size and a lot more modern. Staff have been really nice. We had some lunch yesterday down at the restaurant, and they couldn't have been, the service was really good, very impressed. I tipped them and they couldn't have been happier. So yeah, room 122, standard double stroke, 3-person in Brighton.